A website without online marketing is an unproductive tree. Nowadays, lots of people conserve cash to stop their day tasks in hope of attaining their very own tailored version of the American desire by starting what is frequently called a shopping company or .com venture. They, after that, continue to invest the savings of their labour on fantastic looking, useful and also ideal practical websites. Nevertheless, a huge percentage of the venturous warriors that take the initiative to stop a steady job as well as embark on a rough roadway to east-south work do not end up enjoying the fruits of their guts. The initial stages of site growth, both financially and also physiologically, drain pipes the ordinary venturous person to a factor that at the end of the process they are impatiently waiting for remarkable revenue to be pouring into their means. The truth is, this rarely happens, since there are hundreds of such individuals, both from the past and also today, on the identical path, striving to flourish. In order for an internet site to be rewarding, it would have to be complete in the race for web traffic against hundreds and thousands or perhaps countless competitors. It is possible to bring in site visitors to your site via many ways. Nevertheless, the most effective and also the most reliable are what have been round up under the roof of online marketing. Online marketing or internet marketing attends to the problems of all those site proprietors that are astounded at the reduced returns on their investment. It helps to strategize a strategy to enhance the appeal and also web traffic to the internet site, as well as tackle the problem of reduced revenue. One of the most vital elements of web marketing are as complies with getting the word out, because various other online places need a relatively longer first period of time to yield outcome. It's quicker and more efficient to get the word out about your website through submitting articles and press release to be released. An informative and useful write-up will certainly captivate various other website proprietors to distribute the write-up, hence subjecting your internet site to the site visitors of their own internet sites. On the other hand, a thoroughly ready press release, if released at the right time, will certainly drive significant media publishers to run tales on your internet site, which in turn will subject your website to an extremely wide base of prospective site visitors and also consequently convert consumers. Networking. Propagating words concerning your site is a fantastic means to boost your online marketing projects. Nevertheless, you require security from within to be able to maintain your site's popularity. By partnering or just having a relationship with websites in and out of your industry, you will certainly be able to enhance your website link base and also give a one-stop solution for your site visitors. You can attain this by being an energetic participant on the internet forums, conversion sessions and even workshops, as well as offline venues such as service mixers and also conferences. On to search engines. When you have developed a preliminary search of visitors by means of press release and also worked with networking to maintain your web traffic, your site will be experienced as well as ready to take advantage of an extremely valuable media that allows target visitors to pertain to you rather than you pursuing them. Search engines are swamped with searchers searching for products or services, in particular, every sector and group you can possibly imagine. By utilizing keyword popularity, devices you can discover around the number of people look for keyword phrases pertinent to your website daily. When you discover the search phrase that will certainly bring beneficial visitors to your website, after that, you can target them by maximizing your website. This process is described as search engine optimization. Refining the user interface. Refining the user interface is definitely amongst the most neglected yet very vital aspects of owning and running an internet site. You can be getting thousands of one-of-a-kind visitors on a daily basis to your website, yet making less revenue than a straight rival of yours with half the website traffic. The secret lies in your interface, including elements such as navigating contents, web links, switches, personalization, localized, and more. By using these elements in the appropriate locations, as well as at the correct times, and also continuously checking your visitors' retention and also conversion prices, you will not only boost your conversion ratio and also consequently your profit, but likewise maintain a bigger site visitor base, potentially developing word of mouth and also return business. The above are the main locations in which you have to be active in order for your online marketing campaign to be effective. However, it is often not feasible to achieve the best results in all locations without rigorously studying a substantial training. This is where online marketing firms concern your help in devising and also executing an effective campaign. Internet marketing is essentially the only means to transform your investment of time, perseverance, and money into quantifiable revenue that could get you closer to achieving your goals and also fulfilling your dreams. If you enjoy my video, please press the like button below and the bell up top with all next to it. You will get informed when I put another video up. This is Ian Jackson saying thank you for watching and hope you come back again. Goodbye.